Hi guys, today I'm back with some more nail foil earrings. I'm just going to make a base today. It's going to sit for 48 hours because I'm using epoxy resin, but I have added some black glitter. I'm just going to make the smaller size today, so all I have to do is fill this smaller size up and watch for bubbles, pop any bubbles and let them cure for 48 hours before we go to the next step. There we go, quick as. All right, I will see you soon. Okay, so as you can see, I've just got this nice little flat base, black matte base to work with. Now, I'm going to go in today with this to UV nail gel, and it's glitter. Super pretty, super nice. It's a gold glitter. So I'm just going to spread this on in a pattern, sort of like a diagonal pattern, I think. It doesn't matter if it has to be super neat. I'm just going to do the half pattern, I think half, like so. Go sort of half again, but in the opposite direction for this side. Good. Now I'm going to finish them off. I'm not going to sort of have an edge there. I'm going to go in with a bit of gold flake. And when I say gold flake, it's just imitation gold flake. I've just got this little tiny container, so I'm just going to try and pick out some gold bits. So okay, I'm just going to drag over my UV lamp now, and I'm just going to put them under for probably a minute and a half, and I'll be back with the next step. Okay, so to finish these off, I'm just going to go in and I'm just going to put a clear resin over the top just to smooth everything out. And it just really glosses the black back up. I'm just carefully avoiding that hole so there is no drilling to be done. Okay, I'm going to put these under the UV lamp for a final 3 minutes and I'll be back with the finished product. And there you have it, guys, a finished product. And haven't they turned out so sparkly? So pretty and so quick and easy. So I have just made some black bases and I have domed them with clear UV resin. I've added a black jump ring and a back and they're ready to wear. Gee, that gold really pops with the black, so give it a go. Well, thanks for watching, guys, and catch me next time for some more resin crafting. Bye, guys.